Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, to do the ping value battery mobile gameplay comparison between the Oneplus Nord 2 versus Realme X8 Max device. So this is another most requested question in my channel. Can you please make the ping value comparison between both phones? So can you use the Geo SIM card? So that is the reason I thought of using the Geo SIM card in this kind of test. Let's see, using the Geo SIM card in both phones, which phone will be having what kind of ping values. That's what I'm going to compare. And just 2 days back, I did receive the software update in this phone in the Oneplus Nord 2, and the Realme X8 Max till now I did not receive the software update yet, which is the 8.17. I did not receive right now. So first let's see what is the RX monitor application showing you exactly what is the SIM. As you can see, Geo SIM, which it clearly mentions. Let me open the RX monitor application, and both are RX monitor applications. You can see clearly the same phones, same kind of bands, both phones are connected, as you can see exactly. So that's no problem at all. So that's one thing which I'm just showing you before starting the test, so you know exactly I'm trying to use a Geo SIM card only during the process of demonstration. Let's see which phone will be having what type of ping value while playing the Battlegrounds mobile game side by side. So this is going to be really interesting, and during this time I'll try to show you exactly. Let me go to the battery, and I'll try to turn on the high performance mode as well, because so many users did recommend me to use the high performance mode when I'm trying to use the gaming comparison, all these comparisons. They did ask me to use the high performance mode only. That is the reason I'm trying to use a high performance mode during the process of demonstration. That's the one thing which you should definitely understand. Let me clear everything from the background. So from the background, there's no applications running right now, as you can see exactly. Let's see which phone will be having what kind of results in terms of the ping values. First, let me need to click at same time both phones. Yes, so this is going to be really very interesting and challenging test to see. So which phone has got what type of results in terms of the ping values. So this is a complete test using the Geo SIM card only. So another one quick note, this may vary from one location to other location, one SIM card to other SIM card. That's the one thing you should definitely understand. So these are the tests for the demonstration purpose only. So this is an extreme indoor situation which using the Geo SIM card, just to find out which phone will be able to open faster. That's it. So don't rely on this much scores, because definitely from one location to other location you might get different results. That's the one thing you should definitely understand. So if you're living in the metropolitan city, you may be having different kind of speeds, and normal towns different speeds. So depending on the location as well, the ping value will also completely change. And in my location, these are the exact results. I'm not sure about other locations and how you get, but in my location, these are the comparison I'm trying to do side by side. So first, let me try to start the Realme X8 Max. Use the Realme X8 Max. Let me try to open the bootcamp, which a lot of users did request me to use bootcamp drop test during this time of demonstration. Let me just start the test. So I'll try to play one by one. So first, let's start in the Realme X8 Max. This is the Realme X8 Max, which I'm trying to show you right now. So you can only identify by looking at this kind of game space toolbar. So by looking at this only, you will be able to identify how is the game looks like. This is a Realme X8 Max, because both phones do have the one side punch hole, so same side punch hole. So you may get confused between both phones. Now you will be able to see the ping value exactly how much I'm getting in the Realme X8 Max. So as I said, this will definitely vary from one location to other location. So you may get the ping value maybe close to 28 and 20. That's up in your location, depending on the location. So in my location, these are the statistics I'm getting. As you can see right now, I'm getting the ping value of close to 48 milliseconds. 48 milliseconds, as you can see in the Realme X8 Max, not bad. 48 and 56. 48 and 56, not bad at all. So these are the ping values in the Realme X8 Max. Now in the background, the Oneplus Nord 2 is also getting started with a game, same game. So let's see how will the ping value is. Right now the ping value in the Realme X8 Max is kind of close to, I think, 60 milliseconds in the Realme X8 Max. This is a Realme X8 Max, as you can see. Close to 48 and 60, not bad. So let's do the drop test. So right now I'm trying to do the drop test exactly. Let's see, the ping value is kind of close to 76 milliseconds, 76 and 68. And in the background, the OnePlus is here. So if you want, you can take a look at the OnePlus device as well. Bottom one is the OnePlus. The top one is the Realme X8 Max device. (109 milliseconds). 109, I think 80 milliseconds. Not bad. As you can see friends, during this time, so slightly in the, I think in the OnePlus Nord 2, it's kind of close to 88 milliseconds at this moment. Let's see now in the OnePlus Nord 2 how much the FPS can, how much the ping value can be there. Right now it's kind of close to 109 milliseconds in the OnePlus Nord 2, not bad. So 52 milliseconds at this point, 52 milliseconds I'm getting in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. 52, 56 and 106 milliseconds as well. 106, 139 milliseconds in the Realme in the OnePlus Nord 2, sorry. So this is the exact OnePlus Nord 2 which I'm trying to use. 677 milliseconds in the OnePlus Nord 2. 677 and 581. 677. So constantly I'm getting 677 milliseconds, and I will be unable to play in the Realme X1 Max, whereas another phone, the Realme X1 Max, let's see what is happening in the Realme X1 Max. So top one is the OnePlus Nord device and bottom one is the Realme X1 Max device. Let me just slightly show you the details. Now you will be able to see the difference clearly. As you can see friends, the difference between both phones, how they are. So let's start walking and running. So let's see what happens. Yep. So these are Realme X1 Max. So the one which has got the gain space, now you'll be able to identify clearly which is Realme X1 Max and which is not. Now try to focus on the bottom. 56 and 68. OnePlus Nord 2 and the Realme X1 Max. You can see both phones are kind of slightly close to each other only in terms of the signals. 56 and 52. Bottom one is the Realme X1 Max. So you can see this one, gain space toolbar. I think both phones are kind of slightly close to each other in terms of the connectivity wise. Yes. In terms of the ping value also, I did not see much. So both phones I did see the maximum and the minimum as well. But the OnePlus Nord 2 did went up to 677 milliseconds only for a certain amount of time, but later it did not go. Now it was completely fine. It was stable around 76. And now even the Realme X1 Max, we are seeing about 128 and somewhere around that. We did see this now, the Realme X1 Max. Just now we did see that. And this is using the high performance mode. Yes, high performance mode is turned on continuously in this phone. So 76 milliseconds and 64 milliseconds I'm getting in the 144 milliseconds as well in the, I think the OnePlus Nord 2. OnePlus Nord 2 is getting 266 milliseconds and 56 milliseconds. As you can see the difference between both phones. 117 milliseconds in the Realme X1 Max, not bad. It's 5264. So top one is the Realme X1 Max and the bottom is a OnePlus Nord 2. I think both phones are slightly close to each other friends in terms of the ping value. That's what I did see in this kind of comparison. Not only now, even before also I did observe the same kind of thing as well between both phones in terms of the ping value. So in case if you have any other queries regarding the both phones, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to do this kind of video as soon as possible for you all. So this is a quick ping value comparison between both phones using the Jio SIM card at same location. So these are the results which we got. So the results are quite similar to each other, only nothing much difference I would say at this point. And in case if you want me to do any other particular test, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I will be able to do those kind of videos as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until next video for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.